Hey guys, showing you this stocking stuffers for man gifts. This is survival gear and equipment 21 in 1. This can be given to a man as a gift or anyone as a survival kit. So it's a great tool, comes in a really nice box that you can easily carry it over. And you can see this the whole kit. This is the emergency blanket, or I will explain that later on, like with each stuff. So this guide have everything how this can be used, and these are all the high quality equipment or the things that comes in the box, like the fire starter, the spoon or the cutter. The flashlight with the three brightness levels. This is the knife, like the multi-purpose, the whistles, the hook, or there are like a lot of stuff that comes with it. And you can also see like all the descriptions. So I'm just showing you the quality here, the lights and stuff. So different tools here, like screwdrivers. This is the pen or the multi-use pen that can be used to even break a glass. Compass, a multi-purpose tool. This is the self like manual saw. Fishing equipment. So these are describes like everything here, like the knife, different styles, and you can see like all different tools here. Everything is all explained, like the cutter, the multi-purpose, as I mentioned, to open even a bottle or the can. So everything is all explained, and you can see like all different stuff here that can be easily put, like carabiner and every stuff. So it's pretty handy and really nice useful stuff that all comes and can be used in a camping as well as in emergency. And you can just keep this box, comes in a really nice box, so you can just use it anywhere you want. So it's a multi-purpose band that comes like you can put it. It have a compass, it have this rope inside, and the cutter as well. So flashlight, hook, bottle hook, like all different things in one. So it's pretty nice combination and the nice thing to be used.